Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. The foundation stone for the Bageshwar Dham Medical and Science Research Institute was laid in which district of Madhya Pradesh? A. Jabalpur, B. Chhatarpur, C. Indore, D. Rewa. Correct answer is B. Question number 2. Which state has received the highest number of grievances on the CP Grams portal as of 31st January 2025? A. Bihar, B. Rajasthan, C. Gujarat, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Question number 3. Which ministry has launched the One Day as a Scientist initiative to engage students in scientific research? A. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, B. Ministry of Ayush, C. Ministry of Science and Technology, D. Ministry of Defense. Correct answer is B. Question number 4. Which institution has launched Payodi, a human milk bank for critical ill preterm babies? A. PGIMER Chandigarh, B. AIMS New Delhi, C. JIPMER Puducherry, D. NIM HANS Bangalore. Correct answer is B. Question number 5. Govind Ghat to Hemkund Sahib Ji ropeway project, which was recently approved by government, is associated with which state/UT? A. Uttarakhand, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Sikkim, D. Jammu and Kashmir. Correct answer is A. Question number 6. Which state becomes the first Indian state to launch its own satellite? A. Assam, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Nagaland, D. Mizoram. Correct answer is A. Question number 7. Rashtriya Gokul Mission was launched in which year? A. 2014, B. 2015, C. 2016, D. 2017. Correct answer is A. Question number 8. Which state has designated the Kasampati Sacred Grove as its second biodiversity heritage site? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is A. Question number 9. Which state government has launched the Maternal and Child Sanjeevan Mission and Anmol 2.0 portal on World Health Day? A. Bihar, B. Haryana, C. Rajasthan, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Question number 10. Which state government has launched India's first industry-led digital detox initiative called Beyond Screens? A. Karnataka, B. Maharashtra, C. Kerala, D. Odisha. Correct answer is A. Question number 11. The Lok Sabha recently passed a bill to establish Tribhuvan Sahkari University in which state? A. Punjab, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Haryana. Correct answer is C. Question number 12. Which state government has recently launched a 4-day School Chale Hum campaign? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Punjab, D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is A. Question number 13. Which state government has launched the AI Rising Grand Challenge to resolve the public sector issue? A. Telangana, B. Maharashtra, C. Karnataka, D. Odisha. Correct answer is A. Question number 14. Which ministry launched the AI Careers for Women initiative? A. Ministry of Women and Child Development, B. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, C. Ministry of Education, D. Ministry of Science and Technology. Correct answer is B. Question number 15. The Bhagra Dam is constructed across which river? A. Yamuna River, B. Satluj River, C. Ravi River, D. Beas River. Correct answer is B. Question number 16. Which institution has secured the second rank in digital OPD registration under Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission? A. AIMS Bhopal, B. AIMS Patna, C. AIMS Jodhpur, D. AIMS Nagpur. Correct answer is A. Question number 17. Which state government has launched Creator Land, India's first transmedia entertainment city? A. Maharashtra, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Karnataka, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is B. Question number 18. What is the name of the campaign launched to create awareness among farmers about modern technology and new seed varieties? A. Krishi Unnati Abhiyan, B. Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan, C. Kisan Samriddhi Yatra, D. Bharat Krishi Vikas Mission. Correct answer is B. Question number 19. According to the Sample Registration System Report 2021, what is the total fertility rate of India? A. 2.0, B. 2.2, C. 1.8, D. 3.0. Correct answer is A. Question number 20. What is the name of the initiative recently launched by the Government of India for skilling adolescent girls? A. Sarthi, B. Navya, C. Shakti, D. Pragati. Correct answer is B. Question number 21. Where was the Uttar Pradesh Agri-Tech Innovation Hub and Startup Technology Showcase recently inaugurated? A. Meerut, B. Agra, C. Gorakhpur, D. Varanasi. Correct answer is A. Question number 22. Which state government has launched India's first ro-ro ferry service? A. Goa, B. Gujarat, C. Odisha, D. West Bengal. Correct answer is A. Question 23. Which state government has launched a milk subsidy scheme in July 2025 to support dairy farmers with rupees 5 per litre of milk? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Sikkim, C. Assam, D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is C. Question 24. The Hatti tribe is primarily found in which region? A. Ladakh, B. Western Ghat, C. Chota Nagpur Plateau, D. Himachal Pradesh Uttarakhand border. Correct answer is D. Question 25. Where was the Gorbe Solar Power Project inaugurated in July 2025? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Odisha, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is D. Thank you and I hope you like the video.